Are Guidis too expensive for you and you're having a hard time saving up $4,000 on a pair of boots? Then these Vietnam walkers are perfect. Coming with these insoles with a nice thick pad and a leather top, these will ensure that if they come a little too big, it'll be snug and even a little bit of added comfort for those who need it with the boots. Quite frankly, don't need them. Come with the shopping bag. Let's get into the boots. So first off, these are made with Italian leather, very high craftsmanship, well made. Padding on the inside of the boot when you first get it, just so it doesn't get destroyed on its trip. These are 100% constructed with leather, so there's no fill, there's no added layers. It's just two pieces of leather folded over on top of each other to give you that nice unfinished look. The zipper on the back does get stuck on one of the boots. I don't have this problem on the other side, but it is due to the asymmetrical nature of the boot. They are not YYK, I'll point that out now. They do come finished with a Vibram sole. It is a tad thin, but nonetheless, you'd have to bring these to the cobbler, and that saves you about $100 worth of work. You could bring it back if they do get worn out. I hear a lot of people say that these boots are a bit shiny, so I'm going to show you how to dull in them if you so choose to do so. A quick look at the soles. You can see it is like a nice wooden sole with a leather finish on the bottom as well, and it is welted, so resoling these will be a bit of a pain, but you get that extra quality. Plus with the Vibram sole, you're not going to need to do that. So here we're just like getting the leather nice smoothened out, ready to put the finish on. Right here we laid out the boots. As you can see, the first thing we're going to do is get the dust off the boot. We're going to do this with this nice horsehair brush. So what you're going to want to do is just stroke off all the dust on the boot. Start with some wide sweeps and then take uniform strokes off the boot, getting all the dust off. Next, what we're going to do is get the bottle out. Keep in mind that it is toxic, it is flammable. You want to do this in open air. Shake it up, just make sure the solution is nice and potent. Put it on a nice cloth. Actually, probably don't use a nice cloth. What you're gonna want to do is get an even spread to take off the finish, and make sure to get in between the sole, because that is where you will get most of the buildup from the finish. Hey Google, 15-minute timer.
All right, 15 minutes.
Next, we're gonna leave the boots for 15 minutes. Here's a little time lapse just to see the shine kind of coming off the boot. You can see that they're kind of changing color over time. Afterwards, what we're gonna wanna do is get rid of any extra residue from the finisher. So we're gonna do a nice little leather cleanser, rinse it off, and then finish it off with a conditioner. You know, no 2-in-1 conditioner here. Take care of your hair, take care of your boots. So put the conditioner on another cloth. Don't reuse the acetone cloth. Get a nice even spread on it, and then once again, finish it off with the horsehair brush, which will evenly distribute the moisture and conditioner on the boot, and then just leave it out and it'll be perfectly fine. Next, we're gonna get into some styling with the boot just to show you a couple outfit ideas. First off, we have a pair of Anderson Bell curved denim with a soloist canvas crew neck top. Very simple fit, kind of modern streetwear, simple silhouettes. You can execute this with almost anything you have in your closet. Classic, a little bit of a fuckboy look. Something you could wear to the club or to the streets, maybe to a date. Very simple, timeless, elegant, just kind of playing around with the shapes and fabric. Next, we have something avant-garde. You wouldn't want to wear this to a date unless you're going to an art museum. We have a Raf Simons cropped sweater. Layered underneath is a woman's U Collection white denim shirt. And then for pants, we have the Yohji Yamamoto double trousers, which is 2 pairs of pants sewn on top of each other to give you that eclectic look. Finishing it off obviously with the Guidi boots. In this fit, it's not so much the tapering or the layering on the trousers, but just the boots themselves. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like or comment if you found this useful.